you doing, Ira? You good kitty. Be nice, Ira. Come on, over here, Snickers, Georgie. Here, say hi, Snickers. Now watch. He's so gentle with her, though, to tell her, now leave me alone. Good, Naggy. Nice, gentle, leave me alone touch. And the boxer over here, he gets on twos and puts up his dukes. Don't you? Show him. Here, Georgie, there's Ira. Hi, Ira. Hi, Ira. Come say hi to Ira. You're right. You're right. You're right. Ira was very, very sick kitty who got really beat up. Had bad infection. All better now. All better now. He's all better now. Oh, thank goodness. This big fat cat. This big fat cat thinks he's a German Shepherd to begin with. And there's a dog with my shoe. No. No. No plant. Oh, these darn 2-year-olds, let me tell you, they're terrible too. Come on. Go get your ball. Where's your ball? Get your ball. Say hi, Snickers. She's just so friendly. She just loves the kitties. Snickers. Don't get mean, Snickers. Good girl. Now, leave him go now. Leave him go now. It's a bite. Gentle bite. You're just one of a kind, Maggie. Oh, so are you. So are you. Now watch it, Snickers. Not so hard. She just loves everybody. She just loves everybody. Oh. That's a playground. That's a playground. See, that's a playground. And a play loud bark. She never shuts up. There it is.